Curtailing the civil rights of a woman is the worst crime that a society can perpetrate. My current whim is a protest against such acts, such actions that tend to restrict and restrain the liberty of a woman. A caged bird on display, chirping and preening all day. She looks up to the sky when the clouds retreat and the sun shines. Her wings are clipped, her food on platters stands, all in place, but she still pines for a solo flight to the golden skies. Wings spread in majestic style, she imagines herself free without the fear of care and the cage of gold, but just herself and the sky, talking to the whispering wind while soaring to new heights. I hope this recitation is cherished by its listeners, and if there is any suggestion that you would want to make, I will be more than glad to be made private to it. Please do subscribe and share with your friends, as I'm trying to create awareness through my poems on certain issues, and your active participation will help me in that. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.